Hello. In this segment of our Effective Digital and Traditional Marketing for Small Law Firms webinar, David Wolf will explore marketing assets like business cards, promotional gifts, books, and more. If you want to see more Justia videos on law practice and legal marketing, be sure to subscribe to our channel.
So that covers reviews, and I'm going to get into some more homegrown grassroots type of marketing now. Some of it's kind of silly and goofy because I have fun with it. I don't play golf or drink much or vacation much, so I really like the marketing part. So it's a bit of trial and error. So anything that you see here that sparks your interest to do something custom for your firm, terrific. Use it, run with it. The best resource I've come across is I got a freelance graphic designer. So I have an idea, I email him, he brings it to life. I only pay him for the work that he does by time. And he is available. He has bandwidth to take on more clients. So anybody who wants to email me or contact me, I can put you in touch with them. So that's been an important part of adding content to my website, adding some things to my Google pages, and doing some of these fun marketing projects. So I still believe in the business card marketing. What's in your wallet? Always carry a business card. What's in your contacts wallet? I did some free stuff for this lady, and she shows up at the hospital, a family friend, and what does she show up with? Her Medicare card, her driver's license, and my business card. So she had my card in her wallet. With business card marketing, you want to have the basic information, your email, your website needs to be professionally designed. I put my mobile number on there. Some people who do family law don't want that privacy breached, but again, it's up to you. I like the idea of a logo, catchphrase, and certainly there's a difference between an original design or a traditional design for a business card. I've used Vistaprint. I believe they're a cheap way to go, but there's probably other printing businesses local to you. And right now, my graphic designer prints them for me through his contact. I try to give a business card to every client, prospective client, relative, friend, anybody you help, anybody who helps you, anybody you have contact with. This has been or was my business card for many years. I think it's a proficient business card. It has somewhat of a logo on it, has the practice areas, but I've expanded out from this basic business card to something with a bit more pop. So I've really focused over the past 6-7 years on bringing my name, the Wolf, into it. But even if you don't have a fun name, you can incorporate any kind of symbol or mascot into your marketing, just to make something memorable. I don't think the card with the box on it to the left, as you can see, is that memorable versus the blue-eyed wolf there. I think that has a nice pop to it. And I've even expanded past that. I was in Walgreens and I saw these playing cards. I said, oh, how about a business card that looks like a playing card? So this came from my graphic designer. These have been a lot of fun to give out. They kind of look at them for a few minutes and it's just something to work with. I did one for my family law lawyer, and it was, I think it was a Queen of Hearts with a broken heart, had to do with family law. So you can incorporate different things into your practice with what strikes you. Again, this isn't for everybody. Not everyone's going to want to have a playing card out there that's their card. It might seem a little goofy. So again, you got to go with your own comfort level and your style. Here's another one. I have a beach office where I'm sitting at right now, Flagler Beach, and I printed out these cards. I've done quite a few bicycle cases, and I printed out 500 cards, and I brought 200 cards to the local bike shop, and I said, here are my cards, anybody that needs help. And I've done that with dealerships and other businesses where I drop off a set of cards. So another fun concept with bicyclists, a nice different color scheme. I think it works. I also started a community service organization of sorts where I've written 100 newsletters on people making a difference in the community. I have a website. I have an Instagram page that needs more attention. I have a Facebook page. but my name's tied to something positive. It doesn't always have to be law. So whatever you're interested, whether it's cars or fishing or golf or turtle conservancy, just run with it. And I learned years ago that don't incorporate a hobby that you're really not into. People will see through you. So whatever you enjoy doing, go with that. Like Tim is very much into pugs, and he has a pug page with, like, I don't know, 4 million followers or something. And he does it because it's fun and it's nice to tie your name. Who doesn't love a pug? That's what I would say. So I've had cards printed up and chips and buttons, and I have fun with the Good Deed Brigade. This is something else that's cool. This is $99. It's called Tap Talk. There's other services out there. This is a metal card that I just got 2 days ago. I got an updated one. I got a logo on there. It's a digital business card. You hold it to the back of a phone, and it transfers all your information into that person's phone. And there's a portal to show you how many cards you give out. So that's a nice icebreaker. I carry it around in my wallet, and I'm going to have fun with that. I actually did a metal card. Did this, I think, out of a company in Canada, I believe. These were about $5 to $6 a piece. Came out really nice, and I printed out or manufactured 100 or 200, and I gave them to my best referral sources, because they refer me business. As here's my lawyer, and my little thing with my best referral sources, I said, if it's a small case, keep the card. If it's a really big case, give them the card. I'll get you a new one. So I think the metal cards, again, they have a good pop to them. And what's $5 to get your name out there? Beyond business cards, I've done, keychains. Now, this has worked quite well for me. I think I've printed out 15,000 poker chips. I got these from Belgium. There's a company, Belgium or the Netherlands, and I was worried about giving my credit card overseas, but this place delivered. It's called B Token. And I had my graphic designer custom design them. There were 1,000 chips for $200. This was my first design. It's too busy, and unless you're under the age of 22, you can't read this. So I improved upon the image to something better. And then I incorporated for $150 through Ring Boost. I don't represent any of these companies. I'm just telling you who I use. I bought a couple vanity numbers. So I got 500 Wolf, and that rolls over through Ring Central to my cell phone. So again, something memorable, something that people like. Any kind of restaurant I go to, I bring the chips. Anybody I run into, I always have a handful of chips in my pocket. That's a modification. Again, I came up with the In Wolf We Trust, and also came up with a motorcycle chip for the biker crowd. Those are Harley colors. I think you guys see that. And I also incorporated these lucky chips for the Good Deed Brigade. And, what's the harm of giving something, a little lucky 4-leaf clover, telling people they're doing nice things, you're doing nice things. Another marketing project I did, and when I was showing this to Tim was saying, boom, 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 you have all these ideas in the reviews. It's great. So that's what this is. It's called the Boom, Boom, Boom Review Seminar. But this is a minted, styled after a challenge coin with the Navy, Army. They have challenge coins. I got this done in Pennsylvania. If you email me, I can give you the name, but a custom minted 1 3/4 inch coin. And I gave this to a client that I signed up. He was a veteran from World War II. Good first meeting, got it signed up. And it had nothing to do with it, but I knew it was a big case. It settled for about $600,000, and I gave him a $6 coin, and he was happy at the beginning. And I'm going to be getting him a bit more at the end, but I think that's kind of a cool thing to do. It's different. I've also done ribbons. There's a company, I think TR Trammell in the Midwest, and we did this when I sponsored a soccer club. I have these to give out to people doing nice things in the community for the Good Deed Brigade, and you can write with a pen on that white area. And this is another nice touch that I've put all these things in place, and now that I see my seminar, oh, I got to go back and send some of those boxes out. This is a box that's, I don't know, about 4 inches by 4 inches or so. It was custom made. There's no way I could have designed it because you have to put some of the panels upside down because it folds into a box. It's called Pack Lane. It costs $2. So I've put in coins and business cards and gift cards and sent them out. This is a really nice way to send things versus going to FedEx and putting it in an oversized box. So those boxes have been a nice.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more law practice and legal marketing videos. See you in our next clip.